How to play Blacktop with your friends online in 2K23. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Blacktop with your friends online in NBA 2K23. Even though this mode is meant for local play only, I'll show you a simple workaround that works perfectly, so you and your friends can hoop together no matter where you are. Section 1. PS4 and PS5 Shared Play. Let's start with PlayStation. First, both players need to have PlayStation Plus. Now, go to the main menu and start a Blacktop game like you normally would. Once you're in the controller selection screen, press the PS button and go to Party, Start Share Play. Invite your friend, then choose the option Play a Game Together. Your friend will now be able to control player 2 remotely, as if they were sitting next to you. You can choose 1v1, 2v2, or 3v3, whatever you want. Section 2. Steam Remote Play Together. On PC, through Steam, it is also super simple. First, open NBA 2K23 and go to the Blacktop mode. Now, press Shift More tab to open the Steam overlay. Right-click on your friend's name and click Remote Play Together. This lets your friend join remotely, sharing your screen and inputs. Once connected, just move the controller to player 2 on the screen, and you're good to go. Section 3. Quick note for Xbox. On Xbox, unfortunately, there's no native share play feature. You'd need to use third-party apps like Parsec, or just stick to online modes like the Rec or the Park with your My Player. And that's it. That's how you can play Blacktop online with your friends in NBA 2K23. Whatever you are on PlayStation or PC, now know exactly how to set up. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your squad. See you in the next video. Thanks.